So various kind of customer oriented services we have to deal with, and this overall process can actually be automated, like tickets can be auto generated, and when a person calls in, he can go into an IVR system. He can be guided through properly to the perfect answering machine maybe. So sometimes even they can call in and get their bills printed with the help of the answering machine also, get details. And also there are a lot of ways where the contact center automation can actually come into play. Okay, so it can either be customer directly dealing with the computer and getting his job done. It can be direct automatic allocation of the customer to the concerned department. So there are a lot of ways the contact center can be managed in an automated way and in a semi-automated way. So that is another interesting feature of the customer relationship management software. So we have three main features. One is the marketing automation, we have the Salesforce automation, and now we have the contact center or the support center automation. Phones can calls come in, emails can come in, web enquiries might come in, so we have to deal with them, right? So either it's getting delegated to us or it's getting auto answered. So that is the contact center automation. Now, service automation. There are a lot of other things that can actually be programmed to deal with customers. Okay, like we can have projects with them. We can create various kind of interactions with the customers, and we can have a set of tools like with which we can create tasks, and we can create various deals, and we can create various kind of services that we have to undertake. And whatever these projects we create, these tasks we create, these support cases we create, everything, this whole process of dealing of doing something, of dealing with the people internally or externally, can be automated. Okay, so that is another feature of CRM that there should be. So they come in terms of modules, various modules inside a CRM, or they will be available as a plugin inside a CRM, right? Like service automation inside Zoho CRM, you can take example of Gmail integration. So Gmail is getting integrated into Zoho CRM so that you can work with them inside the interface. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on to the next slide. The main utilities of CRM, right? One of the main utilities of a CRM is analysis. So we are getting this data from multiple sources. It's getting delegated. We can actually preview all the data. We can preview all the data that is coming to us via various channels, and we can view them in a dashboard in an analytical format. And when we do that, what we have in hand is nice data analysis. We can understand who the customers are, what is the demographic, what do they want, where is this particular deal going to, and how this is what is the project and like projected close date, etc. So all these things can be analyzed looking at the data. So one of the main work of the CRM that from our end is to analyze the data that is coming in. Another important feature of the CRM is collaboration. So effectively what happens, CRM is not going to be used by a single support personnel. CRM is going to be used, say 100 people at our end, at the company's end, and we will be dealing with thousands of customers, right? At our end, data have to be updated regarding various case histories. At our end, data have to be updated regarding customers. At our end, data have to be updated regarding complaints and inquiries of prospective clients and complaints of existing customers, and maybe business inquiries from partners, business deals with partners. So everything has to be handled by either an individual or a total team. So this group of individuals can collaborate among themselves at our end, at the user end, and get the work done. So this is for collaboration. Okay, so another major feature, not feature but rather a utility of CRM, is groups being able to collaborate with each other, group of people. Okay, the third utility we get from a CRM is called relational intelligence. Relational intelligence is in the sense how we are actually interpreting the relation that we have with our customers. And whenever we are talking about customers, what we mean, we are talking about the guys who are purchasing from us. We are talking about the people whom we are buying from. We are talking about our business partners also. Okay, so all these things have data is associated with them, which we are incorporating or inputting in the CRM. All the deals are going in, all the calls are going in, and all our interactions are going in. So this, once you study this, it gives you an intelligent insight into our relation with that customer. So this way we will be able to understand our relations better with the people. So in a way, this way we will be able to relate to our customers better, intelligently, and this is called relational intelligence. Then what we have is called multiple input channels integration. As I was saying, this is another utility that we are getting. So leads might come in from the telephone, it might come in from email, it can come in from a web inquiry, it can come in from text, it can come in from a direct mailer. So it can come in from 5 to 6 sources of input. Okay, but everything is coming in from various multiple channels, but it's getting archived at a central place. So when we are putting things at a central place, effectively what is happening, the whole team at our end, as you can see in the collaboration, can actually access that data. So multiple input channels are getting integrated, the database is getting created, we are getting a collaboration, we can access these data, we can analyze the data, we can delegate tasks and analyze the data, and it is also giving us an overview, the relation that we have with the customer, okay, and how the customer is behaving. So these are the main features of the CRM utilities. Let's go over and let's have a look at how a CRM actually operates when we put things on the map. And this is a nice graphic that I got from Wikipedia. Now CRM operation, how it operates. See, effectively this is the input side and this is our team side, backend side. So it can be a verbal communication, it can be input side can be internet, it can be email advertising, it can be telephone marketing. So everything is coming in, it's getting appropriately classified. It's called appropriate data classification in the CRM. Then it's going into the composition and insertion of data into the organization database. That whatever is coming in is getting classified and is going into the database. Now we are getting a collection of the analysis of data, that is, we're analyzing the data, and then after the analysis it's getting disseminated to various people in the company, in the organization. So the data can now be fetched, or it's either can be fetched, or it's going to the support, it's going to the selling, it's going to the marketing, and it's going to the management. So this is how all the leads are coming in, it's getting cooked, and it's being sent to the various departments as so required. Okay, so this is how basically a CRM works. I hope you have understand how CRM works.